Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. These Mayavadi philosophers, they may go very high by knowledge, by speculation, but they will again fall down. Why? Anadita Jusmadangraya, because they could not give the shelter of your lotus feet. Therefore they will fall down. That is not secure. Because a man cannot remain without any activity, without any desire. That is not possible. A man, animal, any, even insect. He must be doing something. I have got practical experience. One of my sons, a child, when I was young man, he was very naughty. So sometimes we used to put him on the rack. He could not get down. So he was feeling so uncomfortable because his activity stopped on the rack. So you cannot stop activity. That is not possible. You must give better activity. Then he'll stop. Paramdrishta nivartate. So this Krishna consciousness movement is that you get better activity, therefore you can give up the inferior activity. Otherwise, simple by negation, it is not possible. We must walk. We must walk for Krishna's sake. We shall go to the Krishna's temple, or we shall go for selling Krishna's book, or meeting some Krishna devotee. That is nice. But you cannot stop walking. That is not possible. Then your idle brain will be devil twarsa. Yes. Then you will fall down. How to go to that woman, how to go to that man. If you stop walking, then you have to walk again to sense gratification. That's all. Similarly, you take any sense, you cannot stop it, but you have to engage it. That is Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,